So dear friends, we are coming to the question number 8 in exercise 8.1. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So first thing, what I will consider one triangle. Whenever I consider one triangle here, just see, if I consider this is a triangle, let I say this triangle is ABC. If this is a triangle ABC, which is right angle at B, this will be the angle A. Now, what is the thing? What they give us? 3 cot A is equal to 4. So, what it is? Definitely, cot A is equal to 4 by 3. But whenever we say it is a 4 by 3, what is the cot A? Cot A is nothing but adjacent upon opposite side. So this will become 4 and this will become 5. Now the next thing is, I know that according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 25, and hence AC, I will find the root, that will become 5. So AC is equal to 5. I will mark this. After marking this, what is the next thing? I should have to find out sin A, cos A and tan A, because that will be required for this question. So what is the sign? Sine of A is opposite upon hypotenuse, that is nothing but 3 by 5. Cos A, what is the cos A? That is nothing but adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. And last one, that is the tan A, which I require. I know that 1 upon cot A is equal to tan A, or tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. So it is the inverse of cot, and therefore tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Now, if I know all these values, first I will solve LHS. Whenever I say I will solve LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A. What is tan? 3 by 4 square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 square, that is nothing but 16 minus 9 upon 16 divided by what it will become, 16 plus 9 upon 16. So this 216 will get cancelled. 16 minus 9, that is nothing but 7 upon 25, that is LHS. Now I will solve similarly RHS. Whenever I say solve RHS, that is a cos square A minus sin square A. But what is cos square A? 4 by 5. So it is a 4 by 5 square minus sin square A. So it is a 3 by 5 square. So again the same thing. It becomes, dear friends, 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. That is nothing but 7 by 25. So if we check here, the LHS comes out to be 7 by 25, RHS comes out to be 7 by 25, and therefore 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now I am coming to question number 10. In triangle PQR, first I draw here the triangle. Just see here what they say. In triangle PQR, let I say this is P, this is Q, and this is R. In triangle PQR, a right angle at Q, PR plus QR, PR plus QR is equal to 25. But the one more thing they have given, PQ is equal to 5. So if this is equal to 5 and PR plus QR is equal to 25, let's say QR is X, then what will happen? This will become 25 minus X. बरोबर आहे का मित्रांनो? Yes, because PR plus QR is 25. So if one is X,
हो
म्हणजे
सर.
एक 10 असेल तर दुसरा 15 असेल. 25 minus X. Determine
हो
the
सर.
values of, they ask you to find out sin P, second one that is cos P, and third one that is tan P. Now the first thing in this case, whenever we write the sides, we know that in right angle triangle, according to Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to EQ square plus QR square. What it indicates? This indicates 25 minus x bracket square is equal to x square plus 5 square. So what will happen? This will become x square plus 25, that is equal to 625 minus 50x plus x square. So here the next thing is that if we check it perfectly, the x square will get cancelled and 25 comes on this side, or 600 you can transfer on opposite side, which will become minus 600, and this is minus 50x. So x is equal to minus 600 upon minus 50, that is nothing but 12. So if this is 12, that means this side will become 12. If this is 12, what will happen, dear friends? This will become 13, because that is 25 minus x. So now I am having all the sides. Now I can find out easily the answers. So what is the sine P? Sine P, this here is the angle P. Here is the angle P. You may get confused due to that. So keep in mind, here is the angle P. Whenever I am saying this is the P, sine P is opposite upon hypotenuse. What is the opposite? That is 12 upon hypotenuse is 13. Second one is cos P, that is adjacent. What is the adjacent side? 5 upon 30. And last one, that is tan P. What is the tan P? Sine upon cos, that is 12 by 5, or in different language you can say it is opposite upon adjacent, that is nothing but 12 by 5. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. If we observe here the triangle ABC, let I consider AB is small x, BC is small x, and let I say the AC is equal to capital X. Now what the thing is, we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So capital X square is equal to small x square plus x square, that is 2x square. So if I find the root, x is equal to root 2x, and therefore always in isosceles right angle triangle having two angles 45 degree, hypotenuse is equal to root 2 into perpendicular side of that triangle. So always keep in mind, in case of 30, 16, 90 triangle, the side which is opposite to 30 degree, if we consider it as a x, the hypotenuse is twice that of the side opposite to 30 degree, and the side which is opposite to 60 degree is root 3 times of the side opposite to 30 degree. So one side is x, second one is root 3x, and the hypotenuse becomes 2x. So we are going to find out trigonometric ratios. Suppose that is for A, in which let us say this is the right angle triangle ABC with this. Now I will first go for sine. Whenever I say sine, that means it will be sine A, because the angle is A. I am considering a very simple thing I am showing, just check it. I write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all by 4. Divide all by 4. So I divide everyone by 4. After dividing everyone by 4, what will happen? 0 by 4 will become 0. 1 by 4 remains as it is. 2 by 4 will become half. 3 by 4 remains as it is. And 4 by 4 will become 1.
0.
Any problem?
No.
4 by 4 is
No,
1.
sir.
Now
No,
find out
sir.
the root. Find out the root of all this. If I find out the root of 0 is 0. Here it is a 1 by 4. Root is 1 by 2. The root of 1 by 2 is 1 as it is. Root of 2 is root 2. Here it will be root 3. divided by the root of 4 is 2 and the 1 will be as it is. So always keep in mind how to read it. Sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is equal to half, sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. Now I am going for cos. If suppose it is a cos A, write the reverse of sine. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Divide all by 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Thereafter, after dividing it by 4, what it will become? 1.
1.
3 by 4, 1
Zero.
by
Sir,
2,
reverse lights, sir.
1 by 4, 0. Then find out the root of this. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So if you observe carefully, just the values are reversed whenever you are writing from 0 to 90 and 90 to 0. This is the values for sine and these are the values for cos, which are exactly reverse of the sine. The sine values of sine increases from 0 to 1. So maximum value for sine is 1, whereas the value of cos decreases from 1 to 0. So it is very easy to remember how to write it. So how to calculate other trigonometric ratios from this? So whenever I am finding out tan A, that is nothing but sine upon cos. That is here in this case, tan 0 is sine 0 upon cos 0. That is 0 by 1. 0 upon anything is 0. Next thing is half upon root 3 by 2. Half upon root 3 by 2. Root 2 will get cancelled. What I will get? 1 upon root 3. Next one is 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. So both will get cancelled. I will get 1. Thereafter root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. I will get root 3. And last one, if we observe something is wrong. What is wrong? Yes, what is wrong?
Sir,
Here
0.
it should
Sir,
be,
तिथं 0 आहे ना.
yeah, it should
0.
be, yes, here it should be 0. So 1 upon 0 is nothing but infinity, or in your language it is
Not
called as
defined.
not defined. So it is not defined. Now just see, whenever I am saying this is tan, I will go for cot. Why? We know that cot is inverse of tan, that is cos upon sine, but you can say 1 upon tan. So whenever I am going for cot, that is 1 upon tan. So 1 upon 0, what it will become? Not defined. बरोबर है का?
Not defined.
Yes. What is next thing?
Yes, sir.
What is next thing? Cos upon sine. Cot 30 is cos 30 upon sine 30, root 3 by 2 upon half. So it will become root 3. So you can observe this is the way I am writing for cot. This one will be 1. This one will become 1 by root 3 and this one will become 0. That means again, as sine and cos are reverse of each other, same thing tan and cot are also reverse of each other. So is there any problem up to this point?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So I'm moving to the next ratio, that is cosec of A. Cosec A, we already said 1 upon sine is cosec, S convert into C and C convert into S. So cosec A is nothing but 1 upon sine A. 1 upon sine A, that is 1 upon 0. So it will again become not defined. The next one is 1 upon half. 1 upon half will become 2. Next one is 1 upon 1 by root 2. So it will become root 2. The next one is 1 upon root 3 by 2. That means it will become 2 by root 3. And last one will be as it is. Now I am going for the last one, and that is nothing but sec A. Again the same thing. Whenever I say sec A, that means it is 1 by cos. So 1 upon 1, it will become 1. Next one is 1 upon root 3 by 2. So it will become 2 by root 3. Next one is same 1 upon 1 by root 2. So this will become root 2. Next one is 1 upon half, that is 2. And this one is 1 upon 0, so not defined. Again, if you check properly, dear friends, cosec, values for cosec and values of sec are reverse of each other. So if you observe carefully, you never have to mug up. Just keep in mind first sign 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all other terms you can directly derive from this. Is there any problem in this case?
No, sir.